Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Vivek Pandey. I guess you know my channel name. Yeah. So today I am here with one more problem solving question. So we are going to solve it. So this is I'm making for the playlist. Playlist of what? Problem solving. Problem solving. Yeah. Now we have already done the problem solving videos earlier. So now let me show that what are the things I have done here. Mhm. See, this is yes, this is my channel here, Vivek Pandey. So the moment you click on this, Vivek Pandey, now here we have playlist. So if you go into this playlist, you can see here problem solving projects, Python and MySQL. So you can just click on problem solving here, and then you can find here, see, even and odd numbers, happy number, magic number, and recently I posted ugly number. So all this we are doing, like whatever the numbers or whatever the problems I'm discussing, I'm just updating here in this playlist. So you can find out all this and you can learn it for free. So coming to today's topic, today we are going to see about today we are going to learn about strong number. Strong number. Okay, so now let's understand what is a strong number here. Now with an example we'll understand what is a strong number. After that we can go with a logic part, how to build the logic of it. Okay, so firstly is I'm giving example of 1 is a strong number, 2 is a strong number, 1, and then 2, then we have 145. Yes, and then we have 40585. Yes, and then we what we had is 1461632. Okay, so now these are the strong number. Now why I'm saying this is a strong number, let's understand one thing here. So these all are strong number, but let's understand why I'm saying this is a strong number. So let's take one example, and the example is 145. So what I'm saying is 145 is strong number. And why it is strong number? Let's understand why. Okay. Now what we need to do is, first I need to separate the digit. So what I need to do? Separate each digits. Okay, so when I do separate, like 1, then again 4, again 5, so we do separate it by the, how we do separate? By percentile 10, right? If I'm doing percentile 10, I will be getting the reminder. Yes, so like this we can do, like I can separate 5, then again for this I can apply 14. For 14 it is, now if I'm doing here, what is the output I will get? I will get it as 5. 5 I separated. Now again if it is 1 and 4, then if I'm doing here percentile 10, then what is the digit now I will get? I will get it what? 4. In the similar way I will get as 1. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, what is the main intention? Separating the digits. First one separated. Now second one is, after separating, finding the factorial of each digit. Okay, finding the factorial of each digit, and then adding up all the numbers numbers. Now let's do this practically. Let's try it. What I have said is 145 is a strong number. Yeah, first one separated. So let's separate first 5 and find the 5 factorial. What we need to do? finding the 5 factorial. What is the symbol of factorial? 5%. So this means what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's it, right? Factorial, n factorial means what? The same thing. N factorial into n minus 1, n minus 2, like this. So this is the factorial. Now what is the value of this? The value is 5 fours are 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 2, 120. 120 into 1, same 120. Fine. Now, what is the next number? In 1, we are doing this for what? 145. Okay. 5 we have separated. Then coming to this 4, 4 factorial. 4 factorial. So what is the 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What is the value of this? 4 3 ja 12. 12 2 ja 24. Into 1, it is 24. Yes. And lastly, we have 1. And what is the factorial of 1? 1 factorial. It is nothing but 1 with whom? We don't have anything, right, to multiply. Like 1 only it is. So 1. Now, what we need to do, whatever we got the number, we need to add them. So 120 plus 24 plus 1. Now, this will give me, what it will give me? 120 plus 24. 144 plus 1. It is what? 145. Yes. So, now this is called as strong number. Now, this is strong number. Strong number. Why it is strong number? Whenever we are separating, the digits and finding the factorial and then adding up all the numbers, all the sums. Okay, so when we are doing adding up the numbers, it is equal to the starting. Yes, this is called strong number. I hope you understood. And in the same way, 2 is also, and you can try this for this number, for these two numbers also, and just comment whether you are getting the same or not. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to write a code for this. Let's start writing a code. So I came on PyCharm. Yes, I'm going with the Python file. Yes. Now what I need to do is, first thing, I need to enter a number, guys. So what it is, the name of this is strong number. Okay. Yeah, this is strong number. For a strong number, we are going to write a code. Yes. So let's start. First, a number like 145. I wanted to enter. So user wanted to enter a number. We need to write one line so that user can enter a number. For that, what we have, n is equal to int of, again, input of, then what it is, enter a number. Done. So once the number is entered, now what we need to do? So we are going to save this n value in one temporary variable. Okay, so temp. In this temp, I'm going to save, because we are going to do so many manipulations, so many changes. So my n value should not get changed. My n value I'm storing here in the temp. Okay, so in the temp it is already stored. Now what I need to do for the sum, we already know for sum we take always what? Sum is equal to 0 starting. Sum is equal to 0. Then now what I need to do is I need to run the while loop. Why I have to run the while loop? Because I need to separate and find the, I need to run what? While loop. I need to run loop. Why I need to run the loop? Because separate separate digits, first one, then find factorial. So for these two reasons, separating the digits and finding the factorial of it, for that I need what? Loop. Now let's see, I'm taking while loop, and then n is greater than 0. Okay, now this is the condition. Whenever n is greater than 0, the condition will be true, and if it is false, when it will be false? When n becomes 0, okay, or when n become negative. So at that case, this will become false and it will come out of the loop. Okay, this is the condition. Now, what we need to write here is the condition I need to write for separating the digit. Okay, so I'm just taking digit is equal to n percentile 10. Yes. So this already we have seen in our previous video also what is the meaning of this n percentile 10. So this will separate, what it will separate? The digits. Okay. So once this digit is done, now what I need to write here is print the digits. Yes. So let's write here print digits, and then here I'm writing digit I'm writing. Okay. So digit is done. Now in this, what I'm doing here is the digit is separated. Now I need to terminate, right? So we have seen the code of terminating, like it will reduce. So once if it is 145 here, example 145. So this digit I got by this expression. Again, what I need to do here is I need to reduce this number, right? 5 foot 4 up to 14, again 1, again 0. So for that I need to write one code like updating the n value. If we don't update, the condition never will become false. So how we are updating the value here is n is equal to n divided by 10. That's it. This is done. Now let's execute this. A strong number. Enter a number 145. See here. What happened? 4541 digits got separated, right? Yes. Separation we have done. Now once we have separated, now what we need to do? We need to find the factorial. Okay. So let's see how we can find the factorial. So to find the factorial, it is same like sum, but here we need to take one more variable. That is what? Factorial, right? So I'm just taking it fact is equal to 1. In the sum, we are taking just 0, but here it is 1. Now after this, what I need is I wanted for loop. For why I'm using for loop? Because factorial, right? 5 factorial, 4 factorial in that case. So for I in range, from where to where I want it till the digit. So from 1, yeah, till the digit I need. Okay, so what we can write? Digit plus 1. Why? Because it will take minus till -1. So exactly digit it will not take. That is the reason we are writing like in this way. So once this is done, for then colon, yes. Now what I need to do here, I need to print factorial. So how we can do the factorial? Fact is equal to, again, fact into, right, I. So into I, so whatever the fact we have, it is 1 into I means what? 1. Okay, 1 is done, again 2, like this, 3. Yeah. So like this we'll be getting what? Factorial. And if I wanted, we can print the same thing. Like if I wanted to print here, let's print factorial, and then just factorial fact fact. Yeah. So let me execute this. It is asking me to enter the number 145. See here, what happened? It is giving me the see, it is separating, and then it is giving me the factorial of 5. 5 factorial is 120. Digit 4, and then the factorial of 4 is 24. So it is separating, and also it is giving me the factorial. Now what we need to do? We need to add the factorials, right? Yes, we need to make use of this sum. So now after this, what we need to write is sum is equal to sum plus fact. That's it. Yes. Yeah. Once that is done, now what we need to do here, we need to check what we need to check here. So what exactly I need to check here is if condition sum. So whatever the sum we are getting, it is same to temp or not. Why temp here? Why not n? Because in the temp we are storing the n value, original n value. Okay. So if it is equal, then we are saying that we are printing what we are printing. So temp yes is strong number. Okay, so it is strong number. Else if it is sum is not equal to temp, then we are going with another one. Else what it is, print temp is not strong number. Okay, this I need to give it in quotation. That's it. So whenever we are doing this sum, when both are equal, the original value and the sum, then we can say that it is strong number. So now let's execute this. Enter 145. See here, 145 is strong number. Yes, you can able to see here. So it is giving us what? It is separating the digit 145 5. Then again after separating, it is giving the value. Yes, and then it is going to add also. After adding, we are checking the conditions. If it is same original value and the sum value both are same, then it is that. Okay, so now we got it. Yes, so we understood what is what. Now I just don't want all this. I just wanted what, whether it is a strong number or not. So no need to print this. You can comment of this also. Yeah, now let's check. Now for example, if I'm giving 2, 2 is a strong number. So only I'm getting that. That is just to make you understand. We can able to print like separating and factorial also. Okay. So I guess you understood this. Yeah. So in the same way, let's check one more example. Run. So 40585. See, even this is also strong number. Yes. Now let's check with one more test case, one more example. Run 1 4 six 146 1632. So what it is saying, it is not a strong number. 1461632. It is not a strong number. Okay. So I wanted you all to try and check whether it is really correct or not. Yes, in the same way we can try with the different numbers like 4 or 43. Yes, it is not a strong number. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I guess you understood this concept. So if you have understood this strong number, then please do hit a like. Yes. If you so guys, if you understood this concept of strong number, then please do hit a like. If you want it is you can comment, and obviously you can share to your friends. Yeah, because I'm taking my time to prepare these videos. So guys, for the encouragement purpose, I just wanted you to just hit a like. That will be like a kind of a small appreciation. Yes. So thank you. That's it from my end.